Choke him out in about 8 seconds.
I need to get points though. So I need to at least go a couple minutes. But the first shot I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip him in the air. That's gonna be really cool. Just be aggressive out there.
No kidding.
Yeah.
I can see that. We kind of got my sparkle. I'm an old man.
I'll make you proud.
I know you will.
Yep.
Pacer breaks, but in my case, when you're 98% dependent upon that pacemaker, you ain't got long. If I break them, I'm probably going to make it about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's about it. I'll be going out. So, things I want to think about. Being safe. The things those doctors don't tell you. You have to figure out on your own using common sense. It's like the power tools, the 1,000-watt microwaves. Those things they can really mess your pacer up. And granted, when you step away, it'll clear itself, but in that meantime, you don't need to be doing that to your heart.
Welcome.
That sounds dope.
Let you talk about it in your career at it.
Yeah.
What you
I
did.
started like 7 months ago, but
well, you got some awesome genetics.
thank you. Yeah, that gives me a little bit of upper hand.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Boy's gonna be surprised when he gets your hands on it.
Oh, I'm gonna give him my pressure. He's gonna feel me right away. He's gonna know first.
Give us a little film time. Don't just.
Oh, I won't. I'm gonna give you some cool
60
shots.
seconds. Make it a short. Choke him out in about 8 seconds. That'd be great.
I need to get points though. So I need to at least go a couple minutes. But the first shot I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip him in the air. That's gonna be really cool.
Be aggressive out there. No kidding.
Yeah.
I can see that. We kind of got my sparkle. I'm an old man.
I'll make you proud.
I know you will.
Yep.
There's no question about it. I know you will. I see when you spoke, when you turn around there like, this boy's in trouble.
Yep. Oh yeah.
This guy's fired and wired.
I'm gonna be explosive.
Where I'm going. I'll see you out there.
Bye.